Good day everyone, especially to our instructor engineer Dixon Adjarani. On behalf of our group, I am Yasin Sharifa and let me introduce to you my teammates, Sarah Puddin Nuzhar and our team leader Jadi Kathleen Ayoni. We are from BSCE 3B. Today, with a great pride and a huge pleasure, we introduce to you our final output in highway and railroad engineering. We all know traffic ruin our day, especially in a rush hour, going to work, school, office, markets, and etc. People from Northeast are having a hard time facing heavy traffic in the morning and same as going home in the afternoon. So our team is planning to locate our project going to Giwan, Veterans, Canelar, and Tumaga. Plan to have a diamond interchange. When you are from Veterans to Tumaga or Tumaga to Veterans, you will pass by Skyway. And when you are from Giwan to Canelar or Canelar to Giwan, you will pass by under. In that case, we reduce heavy traffic and prevent some accidents.